Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to or where to find the frequently asked questions section on the SHEIN application in order to know more about order issues such as cancelling your order or changing your order, or read about the return policy, information about payment, stocks, and so on. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the Me icon down below, which is the last option. And after that, click on the More or search the More Services section, which is the last one, and then click on the first option, Support. Here you can see that you can find the most useful answers here, but first you need to select from these categories. So the frequently asked questions are organized into distinct categories. So click on the one that interests you. Here you can type in a keyword in order to find that one question that you are interested in, or you can also scroll down and find that one that you would like to know more about. Here you can read the answer itself and or here you can read the question itself and the given answer. If this article was helpful for you, indicate it by tapping on the hands up icon down below, and you are free to search among the other categories as well. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.